Hey guys, welcome to our channel CAD Solution. Today we will learn about the part modeling in software Creo 6.0. We'll create a 3D model for forkend. So this drawing you can download from our Telegram channel. I'll mention the link in description below. So let's get started. If you have started the new session or recently opened Creo, then there is no issue. Else, just click erase not displayed. So whatever you have previously model or done any work, it will be erased. First step will be always select working directory. It will help you to save data. I have selected the working directory. Click on new, part, solid. If you want to use default template, then check, or you can uncheck also. Add file name. I'm entering fork end. This space is not allowed in the Creo software, so use underscore instead. Click OK. Here select MMNS part solid. Click OK. You'll see the planes here. Let's start with the this plane. Extrude command. Go to sketch view. We will create a box with the overall dimension. Take a center rectangle. Press middle button to exit from command. Double click on dimension and edit. Simply click enter or click middle button. OK. Extrude 80 mm. I want symmetric to the middle plane, so I'll just simply click this option, symmetric. Click OK. I'll just hide this plane. Select Control, hide. I want to change the shading, option shading with edges. Right now, I have to create this pocket. So select this face, extrude, sketch view. I'll take a reference of this edge. Click on solve. If it is fully placed, then no issues. If it is not fully placed, then define more references to the sketch. Close. I'll take a corner rectangle. I'll simply create one rectangle of dimension 80 by 75. To symmetric it along this line, what I'll do is I'll define dimension. You can use this option symmetric to do so, but as of now I'm using dimension. Click OK. Now it is adding material. I want to remove material from the existing, so reverse the direction. It is not removing the entire material, so I'll just select extrude to intersect with all surfaces. This option will remove the material. OK. Then we'll go with this round. So as this dimension is 80 mm, this radius will be 40 mm. So I think we should have to go first with the radius. So right click here, insert here option. So this will be suppressed for as of now. We'll give round first. Click this line, press Control, this line, define 40 mm radius. Click OK. And we can unsuppress that extrude feature. Now we have to go with this hole diameter 32, and it is throughout. So the best way to define the hole is to create the axis first. So I'll just click on axis and round feature. My axis will be created. I'll go to the hole command. I'll select axis and the surface diameter 32 mm, and the depth will be throughout. Drill to intersect with all surfaces. So it will be drilled throughout. So this top side, 20 mm circle and 15 mm thickness allowed. So for this I'll prefer to go with the revolve command. So I'll select front plane, revolve, sketch view, again going to references, adding references, so taking rectangle, define the dimension. I want this to be 15 mm as per drawing, and take center line here. So this dimension will be 80 mm. That's it. It is now adding the material. I want to remove it. Click on remove material. Click OK. Now this center hole, 60 diameter, 50 depth. Take hole command. Select axis. Select face. Diameter 60 mm. Depth 15 mm. Click OK. Next hole is diameter 30 mm throughout hole. So again take hole command. Select axis. Select this face, diameter 30 mm, and hole will be throughout all surfaces. Click OK. So our forkend is ready now. For drafting, I'll create a separate video on this. So till then, join our Telegram channel for more updates, and thank you for watching.